Hey, this is Exponents number 2. According to the 2016 census, the province of Newfoundland and Labrador had a total population of 505,469 people. It experienced a decline of 8.4% of its population that year. If this rate is maintained, what would be the population in 2020 rounded to the nearest person? So, a couple things going on here. First thing is that we had the census done in 2016, and they're asking us about what it's going to be like in 2020. So we have a time difference there. That's going to be, so the x, which is the amount of time, will be equal to 2020 minus 2016, which is 4. So our x is 4. Now c, you've noticed I've got the rule here, and I've left the c blank for the moment. C is going to be equal to 1 minus 8.4 divided by 100. And the reason for that is because this is decline. So this is not growth. So we're going to go 8.4 divided by 100, and that's going to be equal to 0.084. So we got to go 1 minus that number. So 1 minus 0.084 is equal to 0.916. We want to keep that whole decimal. 0.916. And now basically we're set to go once we identify our starting population, which is right there. Our A is equal to 505,469. So I have my basic rule written down there. I'm going to write down y, or f of x, is equal to A, 505,469, times C, which is 0.916 to the power of 4. I'm going to come over to my calculator, and I'm going to show you something quick in a second here, but first we'll do it this way. So we're going to go 0.916, 0.916, and then we're going to hit my little chapeau to the power of 4. It's going to give me that number, which I'm then going to multiply by 505,469, and that's going to give me 355,857.7, which of course rounds off to 58. So my answer is C. Y equals 355,858. Last thing I want to show you, some calculators don't have the chapeau. So look at this bad boy here. This calculator here will show you a different button, and you can see that button right here. It's x to the y. So x to the y replaces the little chapeau from this calculator, and you would do it exactly the same way. So I'll go 0.916 x to the y of 4, hit my equals, and I'll then multiply that by 505,469. Great calculator for those who are visually impaired here. There's our 355,857.7, or 58.